My little blurb here is not about the history of the label we put on this kind of music, or is it a biography about any band. It's just the perspective of a 40-year-old guy who happens to visit a lot of record stores, and I've been listening to a lot of punk rock lately. I won't bore you with my musical journey, but I can say that there's no denying punk's influence across a broad spectrum of music. No different from necessary cooking ingredients like salt, pepper, and garlic, I can hear punk influence in almost all of my favorite bands. I don't have a degree, certificate, or background that even comes close to offering an educated opinion on this topic. Even if Henry Rollins had a printed degree on this subject, that in itself would oppose all things that punk stands for. The standard home recipe involves snarling vocals or indecipherable screaming. The controlled chaos of the bass typically complements the blaring electric guitar riff frenzy springing from a worn fretboard. Like a kite blowing in a hurricane, the chords all somehow stay grounded by an incessant pounding of the endless energy of the person behind the drum kit. When the lyrics of humor or twisted stories or strings of defamatory words about an ex-girlfriend aren't enough, get out some frustration by slamming your broken political system or corporate control. And then when all of this stops after 2 minutes and 41 seconds, somehow I have an itch to hear more. Since we were born, we wanted to make an impact on the world around us, and this music has been an outlet for countless creative and talented people. I urge you to tap into the lyrics and artwork unfiltered by traditional or color-by-number templates. I urge you to explore the early punk recordings that captured our history with a polar opposite perspective than CNN and the Associated Press. You might just be inspired when unleashing the energy of youth that comes alive again with just a press of the play triangle or drop of the needle.